Hello and welcome back. I'm Sean Fox and you're watching another episode of Made to Ramble. This is Huka Falls. The town of Taupo has a walking track that leads directly to the falls. The walk takes about an hour, but it was well worth the effort as we were rewarded with some spectacular scenery. The Huka Falls are one of New Zealand's most popular tourist attractions. Although the falls are not tall by most people's standards, with 220,000 litres flowing through every second, it makes for one mighty impressive spectacle. After another hour's walk on the return journey, we were able to enjoy a moment's peace, watching the sun go down, with a view of the thermal springs and the Waikato River. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe. Hope to see you again.